Hey everyone, welcome. It's me Philmita. Today we are going to see about a product which helps to improve your skin elasticity, it helps to tone your skin and also helps in reducing puffiness. The product is none other than mCaffeine GUA SHA. It's a green quartz. The product retails for 999 rupees, but I ordered it from Byeeee app and I got a great discount. Talking about the product, mCaffeine GUA SHA is made of green quartz crystal which helps to tone your skin. It stimulates blood circulation, also depuff, which results in a healthier looking skin. So come, let me show you how to use GUA SHA on your face.
First, apply facial oil of your choice and evenly spread it out on the face. Take the larger curved edge of GUA SHA and fit it under your chin, massaging from the center, going gently upwards along the jawline till your earlobes. This motion 5 to 6 times on both the sides of the face. Flat side of the stone to gently move it in an upward motion across the cheeks. Repeat this motion 5 to 6 times on both the cheeks. Now take the narrow edge of the stone and very gently massage the under eye area, moving upwards from the inner to the outer corner. You can also massage along the brow bone in an outward direction. The same for your forehead. Repeat all of these steps on the other side of the face too.
So that's how you use GUA SHA on your face. Regular use of GUA SHA helps in skin benefits such as improving skin elasticity and skin toning. Do check out this product in Byeeee app and purchase it from there so that you will get great discount and cashback offer. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.